like to open up the blind here because she likes to look out the window at the squirrels and folks walking. She likes that. So today the sun, like I said, came out, but it's sort of cool. We're expecting some, they're not really sure yet, but they are expecting some rainy weather mixed with snow. They're not really sure. So my macaronis here are boiling. Okay. My meat still coming along. And I will be back, guys, shortly. Okay, you guys, this is my sauce cooking. Let me cut it up a little bit. Now I'm finna season my meat. I didn't drain everything off of it. So what I'm adding now is what, garlic powder. Okay. My Italian seasoning. Okay. And I'm gonna get it to stir, you guys. Okay. So, and now what I'm going to do, my noodles are done. This is my water. Because like I said before, when I cook, I like to wash as I go. That's just my motto. Okay, my noodles are done. You guys can see how big they are. And that's why I only cook. Look how big this one is. That's why I only cook like a fourth of a box. Okay? And now I'm finna let it go in the pot. Put this in the water. So let me get it, and then I'm gonna combine everything together. That's better. Okay. I'm gonna add my meat. That goes there. Okay. Now you do yours how you like yours, and I'm gonna do mine how I like mine. Okay. And this is the sauce that I like. I always get this. It's the only one I get with the green peppers and mushrooms. That's the only sauce that I like. Because it coats your food a little better. And some of it, I'm not going to call any names, but when you pour it on your noodles, it's like it goes straight to the bottom of the sauce. So I try to avoid that one. And then the Kroger's is just a little cheaper. Okay. So you want everything combined evenly. And we're going to be good to go, you guys. I'm making a small pot, just that's enough to, so when I come home tomorrow from work, I don't have to cook. I might just take some for my lunch tomorrow. Okay, that should be good. Okay. And this is the next step, you guys. I'm going to pour it in here. sprinkle this cheese on here. Mild cheddar now. I'm using the cheese that I have until I'm able to go to the grocery store. Next time I go, I will be getting my holiday food for Christmas. So, all right, this should be enough. Okay. So what I'm going to do, you guys, I'm going to bake this. And I have some garlic toast. And I'll be back shortly with the end results. Hey you guys, I'm back with the finished product. Those cheese patches, that's provolone. That's my macaroni spaghetti bake, I apologize. Now I'm gonna put a little Italian seasoning on top. That's my garlic toast. And I'm ready to eat. And I thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye now.